my baby, my Valentine. Yeah. Can I you to make you want temperature there? If you leave me a good time, I swear you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. I love him, they torturing me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your whole I'm a need a back at this street. Open up, make us feel. Give me love, one thing. Come and make a bad man sing.
Hey loves, I have a hair video for you guys. It is giving African princess, period. Before we get into this gorgeous hair, I want to say a big thank you to Nadula Hair for sending me this gorgeous hair. Before I show you guys how easy this hair was to install, let me give you some really quick details about the hair. This is Nadula Hair's Yaki straight hair. So whenever we use the word Yaki, it basically mimics our natural 4C hair. If you guys have 4C hair like me, it's supposed to look like it's growing out of your scalp. And this is exactly what this hair is giving. It is, it's giving that. Yeah, it's my 4C hair. It grew this long because it can, okay? Because it can. But yeah, this is their Yaki straight. It's so gorgeous. It looks so authentic. It looks so real. So the lace is a 7x5, which I'll show you guys what it looked like before my install. So it makes it very easy. It's not a full-on frontal, which, you know, it can get a little hard to maneuver, but this 7x5 was perfect. So this hair was 24 inches long. I am 5'3", and that's where it sits on me. Very demure. We love it. Our direct link for this hair, guys, will be in the box below. Definitely check it out. This is perfect. I'm actually on my way to an event and it was just so seamless to put on. So this is perfect for weddings, graduations, whatever event you have coming up. This hair is gorgeous, so definitely get it for it. But without any more talking, you guys, let's get into how easy this hair was to install. Once again, thank you Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. There you go.
Let's get into this packaging, and then once you take the hair out of the packaging, it comes with the protective hair nets, and it's just really nice and well packaged. But this is the knots, you guys. This is the pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-tinted lace. As you can see, the parting is deep, and this is what the inside of the cap looks like. There's a lot of things to help secure the hair onto your head. We see the comb there, we see the detailing with the grips on the side, and then the actual adjustable band that you're able to adjust to your liking. And this is what the inside construction looks like. And this is the kinky straight hair, y'all. So authentic looking, so real. I love it. Let us get into actually installing. So before I went ahead and installed, I used my Ebin tinted spray to tint this even further to mimic my actual skin color. I just went in and just sprayed both sides there. And this is actually such a great tool. I will recommend it for everyone. I used to use my makeup, but I like the tinting spray now. But this is what the tint looks like. And once that's done, it is ready to be placed on the head. So before I put the wig on, I placed the wig cap on and tinted the wig cap as well. And then I went ahead and adjusted it for it to fit my head shape. Once this hair got on, you guys, I realized how seamless this looked. Like, what lace? What lace? It is sitting on my head so nicely, and it came like pre-parted as well, so I didn't really have to worry about parting this myself. But I just moved the wig around to just fit it onto my head a little better. And then, as you can see, I went in with my spray, my Got To Be and my Ebin spray, just to secure the front part of the wig on. So just one little spray on the front there, and I made sure it did not get onto my actual forehead, but sprayed along the parameter of where the lace will be sitting, because this is not a full frontal, so it was just like just a little bit of the forehead. And then I also went in with the Got2b spray as well, sprayed over that to really get this wig on, to make it look like my actual scalp, child. So once the spray was down, I then attached the wig to my head, and then just really like pressed it down to really get it on. After this, I went ahead and used the headband and just really secured the wig onto my head. I was going to a little gala, and I did not want this hair moving at all. So all these steps was absolutely necessary for me to get this wig secured onto my head. So once I let the headband sit on my head for a little bit while it secures the wig, it was now time to actually style this hair. As you guys can clearly see, this hair is already straight. Like if you were in a rush, it did not need this extra step that I did. But I went ahead and used my Baby Bliss straightener to just go over the hair one more time to really get it flat. Once again, this is very unnecessary because this hair already comes bone straight. But as you can see, this hair takes heat pretty well. I went in with the straightener on a heat of 400 degrees, and it's literally taking all that heat so effortlessly. But I did this step by step until the entire left side of my head was straightened. And as you guys can see, it's just doing such an amazing job. But this hair was just so gorgeous, so easy to work with. I will highly recommend it. Once again, a direct link for it will be in the box below to get your hands on this hair. But as you guys can see, I'm doing a side-by-side comparison, the straightened side to the original side, and as you can see, like barely any difference really. So I went ahead and straightened the other side off camera and then just brushed the hair out. I wanted this hair to just shine a little bit more, so I went in with my spray there. And honestly, once again, this is very unnecessary because this hair is gorgeous all by itself, but that is the spray I used, and it just adds a little bit more shine and like puts away any flyaways that was just annoying. And as you can see, even with the product on, this hair is still taking the heat so well. But yeah, just like some last minute touches to really get this hair flat. Like we wanted bone straight Pocahontas African princess type of vibe, and that's exactly what we got. But yeah, I was very pleased with this hair, you guys. It is so gorgeous, as you guys can clearly see. Like it was just eating every bit of it. But yeah, it was now time to reveal the frontal after the headband was on, and the reveal was superb. Like I was even shocked. Like that looked like my real hair. What lace. It looked like it was literally growing out of my scalp. So gorgeous, so gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Guys, this hair eats, and I had to of course put on my African wear just to give y'all the full feel of this. It's giving African princess, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Once again, a direct link for this hair will be in the box below. Check it out. Thank you to Nadula once again for sponsoring today's video. Get this hair, guys. Mwah. Bye.